This treatment is very good for those with hair shedding issues, thinning edges, and if you just want to grow your hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Stacy here. And if this is your first time stopping by, please make sure you hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So today's video is about using onions on our hair. Onions are very common and very inexpensive, so this is a very inexpensive hair treatment. So yeah, before we get into how you're going to make the treatment for your hair, I just wanted to highlight some of the benefits of using onions on your hair or using onions for hair growth and other hair issues. First of all, onions have a high amount of sulfur, which helps in building the proteins that are required for keratin formation and hair growth. It acts as a sulfur supplement when added to the scalp, thus preventing hair fall and promoting new hair growth. The sulfur in onions helps in collagen production, which in turn helps to improve the health of the scalp and also promotes hair growth. Using onion juice on your hair will help improve blood circulation and also increase the blood supply, which will in turn create a favorable condition for new hair to grow. Also, onions has antibacterial properties, which helps keeps your scalp free from diseases such as dandruff and other scalp infections. So if you're dealing with dandruff and other scalp infections, you can use onion juice on your hair. So that being said, let's move over to how I make the onion juice for my hair. So to make this treatment, I decided to use the red onions instead of the white or any other kind, because the red onion is higher in antioxidants as compared to the others, and also quercetin found in the red onion also helps to reduce inflammation. But you can always use any other onion you have available. This does not mean it will not work. It just means that the red onion has higher properties. It's high in those properties as compared to the others. I just went ahead and grated the onion. So this is the method I use in order to extract the juice from the onions. You can blend it, but the blender I have will mean I have to add water to it, and I don't want to add water to this mixture. So yeah, I had to use the grater to grate the onion. I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze the juice from the onion, and for that I'll be using this very transparent socks. You can use a pantyhose or you can use a cheesecloth, whatever you have. So that's what I'm using. I'm just going to pour it into it and then squeeze out the juice, and it's going to go directly into my applicator bottle. This is the amount of juice that I got from that small onion. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and mix it up with some extra virgin olive oil just to dilute it. And you know, olive oil has a lot of benefits for our hair. To mask the smell and for extra benefits, I decided to go ahead and add 5 drops of lavender essential oil and 5 drops of peppermint essential oil. Since we all know water and oil do not mix, you want to make sure before applying it to your hair, you shake it very well and then you apply it. So I'll just go ahead and apply it to my scalp. Note that you're supposed to apply this to your scalp, and that's what I'm doing right now. I just go ahead, apply the mixture to every part of my scalp, and then proceed to massaging it for 5 to 10 minutes. And then you can cover it with a plastic bag and let it stay there for I left mine for 30 minutes before you wash it off with shampoo. So the only cons to this treatment is the smell, so I would suggest you apply this on your hair before you wash it. And you can always add essential oils to your shampoo so that it's going to mask the smell. So yeah, make sure you do this before you wash your hair with a shampoo, just to get off all that smell. You can use this treatment once or twice a week or every other day if you don't mind the smell. This treatment is very good for those with hair shedding issues, thinning edges, and if you just want to grow your hair overall, like if you just want overall hair growth, you can choose to use this treatment. Anyway, now that we are in quarantine, it's the best time for you to do your onion treatment because you're not going to be going anywhere smelling like onions and all of that. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.